Everyone's talking about Web3, but if it's the future of the internet, why isn't everyone using it? Hi, I'm Daniel Maddern, MetaEarth CTO, and today we're exploring what's really holding Web3 back from mass adoption, and how MetaEarth is changing that. Web3 promised to give us ownership, privacy, and freedom. No more data harvesting by tech giants, no middlemen, just users in control. But years later, only a small fraction of the internet is using it. The vision is powerful, but the reality is still too complicated. Let's be honest, Web3 is not user-friendly. To join, you need a wallet, understand gas fees, manage seed phrases, and know which blockchain your app is on. For most people, that's too much. Web2 apps hide complexity. You sign in with just one click, and it just works. Web3 demands technical literacy and constant learning. Until the experience becomes seamless, adoption will stay limited to the early adopters. Then there's trust. We've all seen scams, rug pulls, fake tokens, and overpromised projects. Users lose money, confidence, and interest. At the same time, regulations are still unclear. Some countries embrace Web3, others restrict it. Without accountability and verifiable identity, it's hard for people and institutions to feel safe. This is where decentralized identity, and specifically our own solution, MeID, can become the bridge between users, businesses, and institutions. MeID offers a middle ground. Not the full anonymity of traditional crypto, but not the centralized control of Web2 either. It lets you prove you're a real person or that you qualify for specific access or benefits without exposing your personal data. Many builders and regulators believe this kind of verifiable yet privacy-preserving identity is what could finally allow governments, banks, and enterprises to embrace blockchain confidently. In other words, DoD, powered by MeID, can unlock institutional trust while keeping users' sovereignty intact. Also, let's be honest, Web3 today is like a puzzle with missing pieces. Each blockchain is still its own island with its own wallet, token, and community. Users have to juggle multiple accounts, logins, and chains that rarely talk to each other. This fragmentation creates friction, confusion, and lost opportunities for collaboration. MetaEarth believes Web3 adoption starts with simplicity and trust. That's why we built the MePass app, one portal for everything. Your MeID gives you a verified digital identity that connects you across dApps and roll apps without seed phrases and headaches. The modular blockchain design means scalability and smooth user experience, with execution, consensus, and data availability working together like building blocks. And through proof of personhood, MetaEarth ensures that every user is real. No bots, no fake wallets, just verified humans. This foundation enables on-chain UBI, fair governance, and social applications that real people can use, not just crypto natives. Mass adoption isn't about hype. It's about usability, security, and trust. MetaEarth brings all three together by designing Web3 for humans, not for insiders. With one identity, one wallet, and an ecosystem that connects the digital and real worlds, MetaEarth is paving the road to global adoption. The future of the internet belongs to everyone, but only if everyone can access it. If you want to know more about MeID and user data in Web2 and Web3, watch this video. Download the MePass app today, set up your MeID, and experience how easy Web3 can be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who still thinks Web3 is too complicated.